Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Chemistry Art. Myself Bhai Kumar Patel. And friends, today we are going to discuss about the pH. Okay, in last video we have discussed about the strong acid and strong bases. Okay, as you are knowing that we can identify that particular solution is acidic or basic by using the indicators. Okay, and we have already discussed about some indicators like litmus. Okay, some natural indicators, some synthetic indicators like phenolphthalein, methyl orange, all the things. But now here, what is pH? So many students are confused that pH means what, pH means what. So it's just a number. pH is just a number which is representing whether the solution is acidic, so how much acidic it is, and if it is basic, so how much basic it is. Okay, so pH means what? The full form of pH is potence dehydrogen. It means that the power of H plus ion, meaning the power of H plus ion. Okay, so pH, we are writing pH from 0 to 14. Okay, and as I have written here, what is pH? So pH is simply a number which represent the acidic or basic nature of the solution. Okay, so we'll get idea that whether the solution is acidic or basic. So for that you have to remember from which pH to which pH the solution is acidic, and from which pH to which pH the solution is basic. Okay, so it is just a number. The full form is potence dehydrogen. Okay, with respect to hydrogen, the full form is written as a potence dehydrogen. Okay, so three types of solutions are there, three types of compounds are there according to the acidic or basic nature. We can say third one is a neutral. Okay, so whether a solution may be acidic, it may be a basic, or it may be a neutral. And generally we are knowing that pH, we are writing pH from where to where, 0 to 14. So have you think in it that why the pH is 0 to 14 only? Why it's not 15, or why it's not 13? So actually what is pH? So first of all we will discuss about a neutral compound or neutral solution. Okay, so for neutral, three type of compounds are there. Okay, with acidic, basic and neutral. Okay, acidic, basic and neutral. So pH is from 0 to 14 and all the compounds are in this pH range. Okay, so first of all let me talk about the neutral. Neutral means what? So pH, we are measuring actually the concentration of H plus ion present in the solution, and according to it we are writing that the solution is acidic or basic. If the concentration of H plus ion is more, then we are saying that the compound or the solution is acidic. If the concentration of H plus ion is less, or we can say that the concentration of OH minus ion is more, then it is known as a basic. But what about neutral? For example, water. Okay, for example, let me write here, if you are having neutral solution, for any neutral solution, for example water, okay, for example distilled water. So in the water, in a neutral solution, the concentration of H plus ion and concentration of OH minus ions are same, and that's why it is known as a neutral. Okay, so in a neutral solution, what? Concentration, I am writing concentration in short, concentration of H plus ions are equal to, concentration of H plus ions are equal to the concentration of OH minus ion. Okay, so concentration of H plus and OH minus are same, and that's why the pH of the neutral solution, the pH of the neutral solution is always 7. We are writing pH is 7. Okay, so why the pH is 7 only? Again the question is same, why we are taking pH from 0 to 14 only, not more than 14 or not less than 14. Okay, so for example here we are having water, and as you are knowing that in water H2O, okay, this is the water, and in the water, when the water gets dissociated, it is releasing, we can say that H plus and OH minus they are releasing. Okay, so in neutral solution or water, the concentration of H plus and the concentration of OH minus ions are same. Okay, concentration of H plus and OH minus ions concentrations are same. It means that the H plus and OH minus are same. Okay, the H plus and OH minus concentration are same in water, and here positive ion and negative ion is there, so we can say that water is an ionic compound. Okay, it's an ionic product. Okay, so ionic product, for example water. Okay, and for that we are writing Kw. We are writing Kw for any ionic product which is a neutral. Okay, neutral ionic product. Kw is equals to, we can write the concentration of H plus. Here we are representing concentration by showing the square bracket. Okay, and concentration of OH minus are same. Okay, so OH minus, the H plus into OH minus, and the concentration of H plus and OH minus are same in a neutral solution. And how much it is? So the concentration of H plus is equals to 10 to the power minus 7. It is mole per liter. And the same concentration of OH minus ion is equals to 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter. So as if you are putting the values here, you can see that 10 to the power minus 7 into 10 to the power minus 7, and it becomes 10 to the power minus 14. Okay, and the formula of pH. What is the formula of pH? For a kind information, in 10th standard they are not asking generally, but the formula of pH we can write pH is equal to, it is nothing but it's a minus log 10 base the concentration of H3O plus. And what is H3O plus? See, generally when H plus is releasing, it is forming H3O plus into the water. Clear? Okay, so this is all about pH for the neutral, and now you got that why we are taking pH from 0 to 14 only, because in neutral solution H plus and OH minus ions are same, equal. Okay, the concentration of H plus and the concentration of OH minus ions are equal. And what concentration is there for any solution, neutral solution? So per liter, the concentration of H plus ion minus 7 and OH minus also minus 7. So 10 to the power minus 14. And this is the formula of pH. And that's why we are taking pH. We are taking pH 0 to 14 only. 0 to 14, not 13 or not 15. Okay. So let's see, if we are having acidic solution, so its pH will be pH of the acidic solution. So pH is 0 to 7 generally we are writing, but 7 will be neutral. Okay, 7 will be neutral, but generally we are writing 7. Why? Because of if the pH is 6.9, okay, 6.9999, it is known as a acidic. Okay, then neutral solution, the pH will be 7 only. The pH will be 7 only. And in basic solution, the pH will be 7 to 14. Okay, so these are the pH of different kind of solution: acidic 0 to 7, neutral 7, and basic 7 to 14. Okay, now here we have discussed that the neutral solution is having the same concentration. Okay, means what? If the pH is 7, pH is equals to 7. So in neutral solution, the concentration of H plus is equals to the concentration of OH minus ion. Okay, H plus ion and OH minus ions are same. See here, the concentration of H plus and OH minus ions are same. But what about in acidic medium? So let me explain you. When we are adding HCl, for example, when we are adding HCl into the water, so what will happen? The HCl, from HCl, the H plus will be released. and the H plus will be added to the H2O and it is forming H3O plus. Okay, so I can say that in H2O the H plus was there and OH minus was there, but now what happened, one more H plus is added, so the concentration of H plus is increased. Okay, in acidic medium, in acidic, here this is the acid, HL is the acid, the concentration of H plus increase. Okay, so I can write here the concentration of H plus ion increases. Okay, it means that when the pH is 0 to 7, the concentration of H plus ion is more than, the concentration of H plus ion is more than 7, minus 7, 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, so I can write here the concentration, I can write here concentration of H plus means the pH is 0 to 7. I can say that the pH is less than 7. I have to write here pH is less than 7. Okay, 0 to 7 means pH is less than 7, and here I can write that pH is more than 7. Okay, and just like that, when we are adding NaOH into the water, see what happens, NaOH plus H2O. Again, see, in H2 what is there, H plus and OH minus is there, and from NaOH the OH minus will be released. Okay, and so the concentration of, I can write here concentration of OH minus increases. Okay, concentration of OH minus is increasing, and that's why the pH is becoming more than 7. Okay, pH is greater than 7. So here I will explain you how it happens. So let me write here, first of all, this is neutral. Okay, this is the neutral. Okay, it's a neutral, and then let me write here pH are 7. Okay, then pH is less than 7 is known as a acidic. So this side acidic medium is there. So 7 to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so I have shown here pH. Okay, I have shown here pH. Just like that, that side pH is increasing. pH is increasing. Number means, okay. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, now what, let me separate here so you will get idea clearly. Okay, now what, see, the pH is less than 7 means this side, so I can write these are the acidic. Okay, acidic pH, and that side I can write that basic pH. Okay, now what I told you, pH is less than 7, so the concentration of H plus increasing. Let me write here. Okay, if pH is less than 7, it means that the concentration of H plus is increasing. Means from where it is increasing, as you are knowing that the concentration of H plus is 10 to the power 7 minus 7. Okay, so it is increasing, means the concentration of H plus is increasing. It means that the concentration, I can write that it is the concentration of H plus is greater than 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, concentration of H plus is greater than 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, so this side the acidic character is increasing. Let me write here the acidic character. What happens here? Increasing. Okay, acidic character increasing this side, and that side the basic character increasing. That side basic character is increasing. Okay, so if I am representing the concentration, suppose this is the line of concentration, of H plus. For example, the concentration of H plus I am writing here. Okay, so here the concentration of H plus, more acidic means concentration should be more. At neutral, at this point, the concentration of H plus will be 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, so here the concentration will be increased. It means that 10 to the power minus 6. See, it is in minus, that's why increasing. Okay, here the concentration will be 10 to the power minus 5. Here 10 to the power minus 4. Here 10 to the power minus 3. Here 10 to the power minus 2, and 10 to the power minus 1, and 10 to the power 0. Okay, so concentration increase. See, the concentration of H plus is increased, and that side the concentration of H plus decreasing. Okay, see, 10 to the power minus 8, 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, so let me make some space. 10 to the power minus 11, 10 to the power minus 12, 10 to the power minus 13, and 10 to the power minus 14. Okay, so concentration, let me write here, concentration of H plus decreasing. Okay, that side, and here I can write concentration of H plus increasing. Where? This side. Okay, just like that I can represent the concentration of OH minus. For same OH minus I am representing in a black marker. Okay, so here the concentration of OH minus will be 10 to the power minus 7 only. It will be same. Okay, but see, this side pH is less than 7. So concentration of OH minus, this side it will be less. So where it is more? That side. Okay, pH is increasing that side and basicity is increasing that side. It means that concentration of OH minus, I am talking about the concentration of OH minus, so it is increasing. Where? That side. So increasing means what? 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 3, minus 2, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power 0. That side. So let me write here first. If pH is greater than 7, it means that the concentration of OH minus, increasing. Okay, and that's why it is called basic. Okay, so I can write the concentration of OH minus, is what? The concentration of OH minus is greater than 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, so here basic medium is there, so concentration of OH minus will be less than 7. Concentration of OH minus will be less than 7. So I have to write here 10 to the power minus 8, 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the power minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, and minus 14. Okay, are you getting my point? Here I have shown the concentration of OH minus in a black and concentration of H plus in a red. So just like that, here the concentration of H plus increasing, but OH minus, the concentration of OH minus, what happens? This side decreases. Okay, decreases, and that side the concentration of OH minus, what? Increasing. That side the concentration of OH minus is increasing. Okay, so it is very easy. Just remember that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the acidic. Then 7 to 14 means 7 we are considering as an neutral. Okay, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so first of all, these are acidic, these are the acidic. Okay, acidic, and these are basic. Okay, acidic pH and basic pH. But 7 is a neutral. Okay, pH is equal to 7, it is called neutral. And which are the strong and which are the weak? So as we are knowing that we are having strong acid and strong base, just like that we are having weak acid and weak base. Okay, and what we can say, strong acid means what? If your pH, if the pH is 0 to 3, okay, 0 to 3. So if the pH is 0 to 3, then it is called 0 to 3. Let me show here like this. Okay, pH 0 to 3. So if the pH is 0 to 3, it is known as a SA, means what? Strong acid. Okay, pH 0 to 3. Okay, just like that. In base, if the pH is 11 to 14, if see here 1 2 3, just like that here 1 2 3. Okay, if the pH is 11 to 14, it is the strong base. Okay, so here let me write here pH is 11 to 14. So what is weak acid and what is weak base? So if the pH is 5 6 7, if the pH is 5 to 7, it is weak acid. And just like that, if the pH is 7 8 9, if the pH is 7 8 9, it is known as a weak base. Okay, so what about 3 to 5? Let me write here first. Weak acid means what? pH 5 to 7. Weak base means pH 7 to 9. Okay, so medium acid and medium base, moderately acid and moderately base. So if the pH is 3 to 5, if pH is 3 to 5, then it's known as a medium acid. Okay, moderately acidic. And if the pH is 9 to 11, if the pH is 9 to 11, then it is known as a moderately basic pH solution. Okay, so I hope you understood that what is pH. Just very simple. Remember, 0 to 7 means 6.9 acidic, 7 to 14 means it is a basic. And yes, you also should know that how to measure the pH. So we are having different things to measure the pH. For example, we can measure the pH by the pH indicator, and it is the universal indicator. Okay, universal indicator, it is the indicator which when we are adding into the solution, it will give a particular color. And on the pH scale, you have to compare the color of the solution. So according to the scale, you have to compare, and where the color is matched, the pH of that solution is that only. Okay, so in your pH indicator, it's a universal indicator. The name is universal indicator. Okay, by using universal indicator, you can measure the pH. Another things are there that we are having the pH paper. We are also having pH paper. You have to dip pH paper into the solution and it will change color. Again, you have to compare the color. And one more we are having, we are using in industries. So it is the pH meter, like this. Okay, one kind of instrument is there, pH meter is there. Okay, and it is having the electrode. It is connected with electrode. This is pH meter. Okay, this electrode you have to put into the solution. And the pH it will show here. Okay, by the scale or digital pH meter is there, that it will directly give you the pH, that the pH is 5.2, 5.6, 9.8, whatever it is. Okay, so make a note, and if you are having any doubt, please write in the comment section. I will try to explain in more better way if you are not getting these points. Okay, so let's see next video. It will be very interesting. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, bye everyone.